Alright, so got a little package from Rusty, DC Audio. So we'll see what we got this time. I doubt it's a subwoofer in here, though it would be nice. Two DC Audio stickers. And of course, got her at the DC Audio shirt. I want to give a big thanks to Rusty. I've dealt with a lot of companies, Crescendo, Soundstream, D.A.T, Kicker, Powerbase, lots and lots of companies. And I gotta say, Rusty, out of all people, has got the best customer service out of anybody. Rusty will go out of his way, damn near give the shirt off his back to satisfy his customers. Every time I've called, they've answered the phone, and I personally feel like DC Audio cares about the customer itself more than their company, and it really makes me feel, you know, important and happy to run their product. So hopefully in the next week or so we'll have the car up and running. So thanks again, Rusty, and if you're not running DC Audio, you definitely should. Thank you.